These are my pamphlets that I use when I do my fingerprints for my clients. Once I give them their product, I give them their fingerprint cards with a pamphlet in an envelope. So this is courtesy. I give them this envelope. Put a pamphlet in there with the fingerprint cards, and that's the product. This is my product. So this is what I give to my clients. They can walk out of the office with fingerprint cards in their hands. A lot of times they go to this the kiosks, and they have to wait for their fingerprint cards to come into the mail. But they want those cards like right off. And that's one of my products that I offer. I also offer FBI background checks. Let me show you what else I offer. So I have a list of things. I offer FBI background checks. We offer FBI departmental orders, regular mail, email only. Email only is them getting their FBI rap sheet in a PDF form through their email. And then FBI departmental order, regular mail, they can get the PDF in the mail and or fingerprint cards in the mail. Departmental order, priority mail, that's priority, meaning 1 or 2 days. And of course we do offer FedEx overnight. FDLE, which is our Florida Departmental of Law Enforcement background checks, we offer those. And FINRA, Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, we offer FINRA background checks as well. FBI apostille services, fingerprint apostille services, those get checked over from the FBI and sent it to Virginia. 1 year archiving, 5-year archiving, and a lifetime archiving. We charge those as products. Our 1 year archiving is $100. My 5-year, $200. And my lifetime is, we just charge $250. $250. So those are my products. And then my products usually cost me, my fingerprint cards, I charge $65 for fingerprint cards. You get 2 FD 258 cards. Departmental orders, we charge $130 for those checks. Yeah. I wonder. I'm always willing to add other services that are going to be convenient for me to service clients. I've been thinking long and hard about doing DNA and drug testing. I don't really know if I really want to start doing the drug testing and the DNA yet. I don't know what volume of clientele I'm going to have and if I can handle it. Like, can I handle one more thing right now? Because I'm really working and studying on doing government contracting. But my bread and butter and my passion right now is fingerprinting. I like doing fingerprinting. I am a notary public first, but I offer fingerprinting as one of my premium services. So, so yeah. My name is Tammy R. Stevens. I am the proud owner of Motary Notary Fingerprinting and More, and we offer fingerprinting.